All right, I'm going to be working on her again. I've got detail work to do on boots. I've raised her up quite a bit, about a good 7, 8 inches, so I can be at eye level with the boots to get them the way I want to get them. I've sold several copies of this, and so I've got to get it back over to the Foundry this week if I can get this done. So I'll be working on this today. I'm just going to be working on cleaning up areas like the leggings and areas where there are little crevices that had to be filled. It's tedious, but it has to be done. While I'm doing this, I'm trying to think how I'm going to color the bronze. I'll probably just do it more of a traditional patina. Sorry, I've got a coughing spell happening here. I'm working so close to my head that I have a tendency to hit the camera with my magnifiers. Finally, I got in my studio and had not turned on my heat. It's taken forever for it to get to where it turns itself off. It's not really that cold outside, but it was just too cold in here to work. So I had to turn that heat on. Just got some touching up to do underneath the arm. All right, I think that I'm to the point where it's ready to go to the foundry. I was going to redo the hat, but I like the hat the way it is, so I'll stick with it. Everything looks pretty good. Well, I guess I'll load her up in the car. Oh, wait a minute, I got one more thing I gotta do. I gotta do some ties at the bottom of the braid and do some texturing. Got to cut down the bottom of the hair a little bit. And add just a little bit more to this one. There we go. I decided to keep the title simple, Cowgirl, because that's what she is. And I think she turned out really good. It's gonna make a nice bronze. All right, everybody, have a great night. I'll just have to decide whether I'm going to video my trip tomorrow or not to the Foundry. And I've got to figure out what kind of coloring I'm going to have on my bronze here. All right, everybody. Good night, and not sure when I'll be doing my next project. I'm going to take probably a week or more off because I'm getting ready for my operation in the middle of next month. And I got a few appointments I've got to go to. Preliminary stuff I've got to do for that. All right. Good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.